QD English Learn with us.
English conversation practice. In a restaurant.
Listen and practice.
Good evening, madam. Welcome to La Bella. Good evening, madam. Welcome to La Bella.
Good evening. Good evening.
Do you have a reservation? Do you have a reservation?
Yes, it's under the name of Robinson. Yes, it's under the name of Robinson.
Ah, yes. Here's your table. Ah, yes. Here's your table.
Great. Can I see the menu? Great. Can I see the menu?
Here you are. Here you are.
Thanks. Thanks.
I'm eating out tonight.
Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order?
Yes, please. I'll have the mushroom soup. Yes, please. I'll have the mushroom soup.
How about the main course? How about the main course?
I'd like the salmon, with roasted vegetables. I'd like the salmon, with roasted vegetables.
Excellent choice. How about the dessert? Excellent choice. How about the dessert?
Do you have tiramisu? Do you have tiramisu?
Of course. It's delicious. Of course. It's delicious.
Okay, I'll take it. Okay, I'll take it.
What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink?
A cup of coffee, and a glass of mineral water. Please. A cup of coffee, and a glass of mineral water. Please.
The salmon was yummy.
How was your meal, madam? How was your meal, madam?
It was delicious, thank you. Can I have the bill? It was delicious, thank you. Can I have the bill?
Certainly. Here you are. Certainly. Here you are.
Keep the change. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a nice evening. Thank you. Have a nice evening.
You too. Goodbye. You too. Goodbye.
QD English Learn with us.